Hi guys! In this video, you're gonna learn how to make ChatGPT write longer. So first step is to log into your account or install ChatGPT on your cell phone. Then after that, write an example of a question. So I'm gonna write, what is marketing strategy? Then after that, enter. Then you see now ChatGPT makes an answer to that question. But if you want to write longer, type again and then add more details. So type add more details, or you can say elaborate more, and then enter. And then now you see ChatGPT write longer. So that's how to make ChatGPT write longer. If you like this video, please click the subscribe button and click the bell icon to notify you to our next tutorial.